Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a React.js client-side audio editor with timeline. So using Wavesurfer.js library. So this is actually the user interface of the React application. We are running it on localhost. So right here, you can simply drag and drop your audio file, whatever audio file you want to process. So as I select the MP3 file here, it will actually construct the full timeline of the audio file that you can see right here. So you will be able to trim out the specific part that you don't want using your mouse. So just drag the mouse and right here you can simply play the audio file first of all. So let me turn on the audio here to just see.
Premium PDF editor I built here from scratch.
So you can see here using your mouse, you can simply highlight this specific portion. So if you don't want this specific portion, you can play
I
this.
think you can sign your digital.
So if you don't want this portion, you can click transform. If you only want this, so it will actually cut this specific portion and it will apply the FFMPEG WebAssembly library to actually process the audio, and your processed audio will be successfully trimmed out and downloaded. So you can now play the MP3 file right here. So it will only specifically cut that specific part of the audio.
Click on done, you will see that. And
So
you
it
can even, I think you
successfully
can
cut
sign.
those 45 seconds. So using your mouse, you can highlight the specific portion to cut the actual audio file. So this is actually a full client-side React application for cutting your and trimming your audio file. So if you are interested in this project, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. And after purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So as you can see, we are using the latest version of React, and we are also using Framer Motion Tailwind CSS and also FFmpeg WebAssembly library, and it's fully customizable. You can add more features and actually see once you purchase how I coded this. So it's really easy to deploy and run this application. We are running it on command line. Command is simple: npm run dev. So this will start the local development server. So the application will look something like this. So it's fully responsive as well, so it's easy for you to deploy this. So the user will simply come, they can upload wave mp3 or m4a file. So as it selects the mp3 file, it will construct
Hello friends, today in this
this timeline that you see right here. And using this timeline, you can control what specific part that you don't want in the audio. So this will save you a lot of
deploy
time,
it on the browser itself.
because many times you do want to remove the specific portion like background noise that you don't want in the audio. So using this tool, you can actually save a lot of time without requiring any extra software. You can actually do this task, so it's really fast as well. So once it completes, automatically the file will be downloaded, so you'll see that. So once you click the trim option, transform, so the user interface is quite simple. So using your mouse, you can actually play the specific portion. And coming to the libraries section, we are using two libraries here. First, to construct this timeline that you see. So this timeline is constructed through this library, which is Wavesurfer.js. So it's an open source JavaScript library for constructing this visualization waveform of the audio file. And for processing the audio, we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library, which is again a open source library which allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser. So once you purchase it, it's you can do this unlimited number of times. So it directly all the processing directly happens in the browser. So it's 100% client side. So no server side code is there. It's really fast. It directly executes it directly in the user browser. It doesn't take a lot of time. So as the user select an audio file, it instantly construct the timeline of the audio file,
Hello friends.
and using your mouse you can actually safely trim out the unnecessary portion of the audio. Click the transform option and it will start the FFMPG processing. So you can just see here it's encoding, and once it completes you will get this window to download the necessary output file. So this is the actual project. So if you're interested, the link is given. And if you still face any problem after purchase, you can contact me. I will definitely help you in running and deploying the application. And you can just see right here. These are all the components which are there. So it's not a very big project, but still it does contain a lot of code. I written a single line of code, every line of code from scratch. So if you're looking forward for purchasing it, the link is given. So we have also used Tailwind CSS for user interface as well, as you can see. And Wheat, we are using the local development server for building out this project. So these are set of commands. If you want to build this project, you will run this command. So this will build this entire project, and you can easily deploy this as well to a custom domain.